All right, all right, all right. What is going on, folks? Ontarian here. I'm Passive Income Guru. You guys know who I am. Hey, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit the bell notification, and you're going to get notified every time I do a video. Okay, this YouTube channel is geared toward giving you information, logical, real information that is going to help you generate a passive income hand over fist. All right. My goal is to set a lot of you guys free. Maybe you want to supplement your income. Maybe you want to walk away from your job. I want to give you information and opportunities that's going to do that. Okay. Or help you potentially do that. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you anything, but I'm guaranteeing you that it has a high potential to do so. Okay. Now, today, once again, we're talking about my PAMM account. All right. If you want to learn how to make money in your sleep, guys, you want to get in the my PAMM account. All right. I'm going to show you the stats. This is the end of the week / end of the month stats. And P.S. and by the way, I started this PAMM account exactly on February the 9th of 2024. So I didn't start on time. I didn't start at the first of the month. Let me say it again before I show you these statistics. I started on February 9th, 9 days in of the month. Okay. And we didn't have a full month. This is not a full month. It is a full month, but February is always the shortest month of the year. So I didn't have 30 days. I didn't have 31 days. So I had exactly what? Today is the 1st. I had exactly 21 days. Okay, to rev up these stats, okay, on automation. So let's go ahead and get into it. Real quick. Documentation beats conversation. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, I am not a financial expert, okay? We are not guaranteeing you profits, but we have the potential. And when we started this PAMM account, when I started this PAMM account, the potential was to make at least 10 to 20% per month gain, okay, with a low drawdown. So here we are on my FX books. This is the data. This is the numbers that you want to see in the end. This is where the rubber hits the road. This is where you see, okay, is this thing really performing? Yes, it is. Okay. As you can see, guys, since the 9th, I just told you, we've been going up like a roller coaster here. Okay. Upwards and onwards like a roller coaster. And we have collected almost 10%. Wow, just a little bit less than 1% shy of 10% gain, guys, in just 21 days. So, as you know, if we would have started on February 1st, we would have well surpassed 9%. Okay, that is phenomenal. I would say that is very, very good. Okay, despite the fact, right, we had a holiday last week. Just all the different parameters, high impact news did not stop us from getting this 9% gain. Even today on a Friday, okay, we're up 0.31% for the week. We're up over 3.5% gain, guys. Okay. Now this month we just started with 0.31%, but again, we started fresh on February 9th and we're up over 9%. I dare you to put your money into a savings account, put your money into a checking account, even if your traditional 401k, and try to get 9% in 21 days. It's not going to happen. Okay. I bet your bottom dollar is not going to happen. Okay. So my goal in this is to give you a safe haven, so to speak, somewhere where you can put your hard-earned money, right? You work 40 plus hours a week. Okay. You're tired. You're looking in the future. You're wondering, when is this going to end? You're wondering, when can you retire? You're wondering, when can you take a break, take more vacations? When can you pursue your dreams? You're wondering all that, right? I just want to give you one of the vehicles. I'm going to talk about other vehicles as well, but one of the passive income vehicles that can actually potentially help you, okay, which is my PAMM account. So you definitely want to get involved. Now, let's do some what ifs. Let's do some what ifs. I love this. And then I'm going to close it with the compound, the sixth wonder of the world, which is compound interest. Or is it the seventh one? No, it's the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. Okay. So if you would have joined, if you were had joined my PAMM account on February the 9th, and you would have had 100K in my PAMM account, ladies and gentlemen, in just 21 days, you would have made a whopping $9,000. Okay. Okay. Some of you looking at this, you may have 100K. You may not have 100K just sitting around, but you may have 100K built up in your 401K or something else. It's not, it's probably making you on a good year, maybe 3%, 5% on a good year. Okay, guys, look, if you had that 100K in my PAMM, 21 days, you would have came out at 9,000. But PS, by the way, we're compounding this, so these numbers are going to compound as they go up. Now, let's scale down. If you would have had 10,000, some of you have 10,000 sitting around doing nothing, you would have made $900 in 21 days. That's an extra income, and this is how I like to see it and put it. This money is something that you didn't have in your account before. It didn't accrue. It didn't come out of nowhere. Okay, so if you made an extra 9K, if you made an extra 900, it's income that you didn't have before. And get this, it's income that you didn't have to work for. Man, let me say that one more time, because we work hard as a people for our money. We clock in, we clock out, we get up early, go to bed late. Okay. You did not have, if you had 100K, listen to me closely. This is phenomenal. This is just making me fired up here. If you had 100K in this Joker, and you're doing everything you do regular on every single day, you get up, go to work, you spend time with your kids, you go on dates, you walk the dog, whatever, you take vacation, whatever you do in your life on a daily basis, and an extra 9K came into your account without you doing anything, guys, that is phenomenal. That is a miracle. I'm just gonna put it like that. That's a miracle. Okay. If you had $10,000 in the PAMM account, an extra $900 just hopped into your life, and you didn't have it before. You was still doing what you wanted to do in your life. And ladies and gentlemen, lastly, if you had, let me get my pen here. If you had 1K in the account, you would have made $90. Still a good dang return. Okay. That $90, you will never see that in the bank in 21 days. Never. I bet you $1 million on it. You would never see it. Okay. So that is what we're bringing with the PAMM. Okay, with the passive income guru PAMM, guys. We're very excited with our new investors that are coming in daily. They're excited. They're loving their passive income, and that makes me happy. That makes me very, very, very happy. Okay. Now let's take this thing a little further, okay? Go to my compound calculator here. All right, and let's just be a little pessimistic here with I'll get it at 12. We're gonna keep this at 10% per month, and let's say you started out with 10,000. Okay, started with $10,000. Here's the eighth wonder of the world, going to work for you while you sleep. Okay, $10,000 balance starting, 10% per month average. Again, not guaranteed. Let's calculate that joker for 12 months. Ladies and gentlemen, after 12 months, your $10,000 is going to be $31,384. Okay, not bad. Now, here's where the compounding interest comes in. It's going to blow your mind. We'll take that $31,000. Let's say you don't take any of that money out, which probably you will. Let's put it right here. I'm going to take out the 28 cents. Okay, $31,384. Calculate once again, ladies and gentlemen. It is a whopping almost $100,000. In 2 years off of $10,000. That's just earning 10% in a month. And our potential goal with this is 10 to 20. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done. Hey, I'm fired up. I am fired up because I'm excited for you. I'm excited for you to get into this. P.S. And by the way, the minimum cost or minimum investment to get into the PAMM is only $250. Yes, it did go up. I told you guys it was going to go up. Okay, so it went up this past Monday to $250. That is still a small investment. The more you put in here, the better. But $250, if you just got $250, put $250 in. Let your money start to work for you guys. Again, you work hard for your money for years upon years. You put it in a savings account. You put it in a bank. It's not doing nothing but collecting dust. Put it to work, okay? And eventually, over time, hopefully you can walk away from your job or just supplement something, okay? So I'm going to leave some information below for you, okay? Go ahead and get started. If you got questions, I always leave my calendar link below. That way you can go ahead and book a time to speak with me. If you got any questions, again, I'm here for you. Follow me on Instagram as well. My link is going to be below. And I look forward to serving you guys both now and in the near future. Okay? Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Talk to you soon.